Hello. Gmail introduced Gemini-powered summarize feature for Android and iOS. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about an exciting new feature in Gmail that's rolling out for Android and iOS users. Let's dive in. What's new? Gmail has launched a new summarize feature powered by Gemini, which is available to paid customers. This feature is rolling out widely and will help you get a quick recap of your email conversations. Key points. Summarize button. The new summarize button appears in Gmail thread with more than 2 responses. It's designed to recap conversations, making it easier to catch up on long email threads. Bullet points. When you tap the summarize button, a sheet slide up with bullet point summarizing the conversation. It takes a second to generate these points. No prompt field yet. Currently, there is no field to enter follow-up prompts, but this might come with the launch of Gmail Q&A soon. View summarize. You can swipe down on the sheet to view recent summarize and expand the UI to take up the entire screen. Original release date. Initially announced on June 24th, this feature is now being rolled out more widely. The summarize button appears just below the subject line of eligible email threads. Gemini side panel on web. For those using Gmail on the web, the Gemini side panel powered by 1.5 Pro offers several features. Summarize email thread, suggest responses to emails, help draft emails, ask questions to find a specific information from your emails or Google Drive files. When you tap the Gemini sparkle icon in the top right corner, Gmail will suggest proactive prompts to help manage your emails more effectively. Availability. Both the summarize features and the Gemini side panel are available for Gemini Business and Enterprise add-on, Gemini Education and Education Premium add-on, Google on AI Premium. Coming soon. In the coming weeks, expect the full rollout of these features. Additionally, Google will launch Gmail Q&A and contextual smart reply next month, bringing even more AI-powered tools to enhance your email experience. That's it for today's update. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.